Research for good. Inventis. It was with this conviction that Dr. Deepak Birewar founded Inventis Research Company in 2005 to manufacture advanced intermediates and actives for life science applications and specialty chemicals. Dr. Deepak Birewar, Chairman and Managing Director, has inculcated in Inventis a spirit of passion for excellence, superior engineering, responsible behavior, and excellence in consistency in quality and innovation. Located in the center of the site are multiple plants that carry out advanced intermediate synthesis, cyanation, solvent recovery, multi-purpose intermediate processes, pilot or kilo processes, nitrile synthesis, active pharmaceutical ingredients, and hydrogenation. It has wide frame permit allowing for large number of chemistries and unit operations. Various hazardous and special materials are handled with strict processes and safety measures. The manufacturing plants, utilities, and tank farms are automated with DCS or PLCs and enable monitoring of parameters close to the optimum. This ensures accuracy of operations and measurements, as well as it maintains important safety logs determined during the multi-stage HACCP studies. The integrated Inventis Site 1 is designed with production plants in the center and process utilities such as cooling towers, boilers, hot oil systems, chilling plants, brine plants, oxygen nitrogen plants, DM water plant are located near the south boundary. The engineering stores with robotic retrieval system and inventory tracking is also located here. The eastern side houses effluent treatment plant, liquid tank farm, fire station, and automated solid raw material and intermediate storage, as well as liquefied ammonia gas station of 40 KL capacity, and finished goods GMP warehouses are located on the northern side. Inventis has the capabilities to handle chemicals like hydrazine hydrate, liquefied ammonia gas, aqueous ammonia, sodium methoxide, sulfur trioxide, various chlorinating and sulfidation agents, trifosgene, hydrogen, etc. Inventis plants adhere to ISO 9001 certification for quality management system, ISO 14001 for environmental management system, OSHAS 18001 for occupational health and safety management, as well as WHO GMP standards. The Knowledge Center is the heart and soul of Inventis' drive for research-driven growth. The research and development labs with various support services are located on the second floor of the building. In the research and development section, there are 8 independently operating laboratories, each of which can be used to conduct 4 simultaneous laboratory experiments. The western wing of the building contains various support facilities such as Quality Control Lab, Analytical Development Lab, Microbiology Lab, Sample Storage Section. Quality assurance as well as document storage is housed in this building. The Process and Project Engineering Department is located on the first floor. Inventis is capable of constructing and commissioning chemical manufacturing plants from a paper concept. Inventis Project Department has built a successful track record of building complex, fully automated process plants in record time within budget. Plant 2C has been operational since March 2019. The multipurpose section operates in batch processing mode and is designed for production of advanced intermediates. Nitrile synthesis plant operates in a continuous production plant. High-temperature catalytic gas phase reactions are conducted here in a continuous manner. Plant 1A was the first plant that was commissioned in 2008. Plant 1A is designed to manufacture advanced intermediates for life sciences applications. Inventis has biotreatment plant with capacity of 200 KL per day, which can be expanded to add another 400 KL per day capacity. Inventis has a permission to discharge 500 KL per day effluent to common effluent treatment facility. The fire pump house is very well equipped with 3 separate firefighting systems. Each system consists of a jockey pump, electrical pump, and a diesel engine pump. The facility has water storage tank with the capacity of 750,000 liters for the use of firefighting. Inventis, with a pioneering team of best researchers and driven by passion for excellence, will always continue that tradition of innovative approach.